Welcome to the AmazingRibs.com virtual showroom. This is part 1, a walk around and inspection of the current Model G dual zone grill with me, Max Good. You can read part 2, an in-depth review of all the strengths and weaknesses after running temperature tests and cooking on it on AmazingRibs.com at the link in this video. This cooker was sent to us by the manufacturer. Please note that we don't charge to review products. When we're done testing, manufacturers sometimes pick them up, sometimes we give them to fire departments or charities, but we never sell them. Here's the current full-size Model G dual-zone electric grill. Construction is a little lightweight, but it sure looks sharp when you get your hands on it. Photos don't do it justice. There are 2 meat probe inputs on each side, and current includes all 4 probes. Left and right fold-down side shelves. And I always appreciate when manufacturers add a bracket to wrap up power cords. As you might guess, current's 12-foot cord is heavy duty. Come around here to slide out a small grease tray. 2 big old wheels, 2 casters. This cart is offered in a few different configurations. The single control knob operates both zones and all other functions. Current also has a smartphone app. We didn't remove this peel-off film yet, so you can see the full display graphic. Cooking temp, meat probe temp, timer, self-clean. Inside, we took off the cooking grates to show the 2 heating elements. There are the grates. Double-walled lid for heat retention. Current got these unusual grates from Charbroil, formerly called True Infrared. They recently changed the name to Amplifier, which is much more descriptive. They look a bit like the grill grates on Charbroil's high-end Sabre grills. With current, these grates create sear marks via conductive heat, the hot metal hitting the food. They take a little extra cleaning care because you have to scrape out burned up gunk down in these channels. Now we put back all 4 cooking grates, plus the smallish warming rack. It is removable, but doesn't flip down when not in use. Well, that's it for now. It sure is an interesting one, huh? I swear when you're standing right in front of it, it's a lot prettier than the photos. Don't know why. Usually it's the other way around. The current Model G dual zone grill. Let's plug and play. Part 2 of our review is a hands-on detailed report on AmazingRibs.com at the link in the video. For more virtual showroom videos, cooking demonstrations, and everything you need to know about outdoor cooking, please subscribe to our email newsletter, Smoke Signals. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook.